This is an extra video which I just want to cover a few additional topic on top of the roles in Ansible. So in the previous videos you learned how to use roles, how to create the roles, and all the basics things. So you have to, if you want to know more, refer the documentation and practice more, then only you will know how to use and all. So in this video we are going to explain something important here, include role and the import role. So you can directly call the include role, you can directly call the roles in the playbook as we mentioned here, like we have this roles.yaml, and you can see you can call the roles something like this. So you are not mentioning any task inside the playbook. It will directly call the roles, and you can add more tasks than the pre-task, all those things. That's a bit advanced topic. But let's say if you want to dynamically, or if you want to control the flow of this role inclusion, you can, instead of calling the roles directly, you can use include role or import role modules or options. So this include role option is nothing, is just a way to dynamically include the role during the execution of the playbook. So here if you check, it's pretty straightforward. You have some options like allow duplicates, apply, all those things. So the default one is you should provide a name and variables. So we have some examples. So include role will be there, and you give the name. This is the minimum one. Then this role will be included during the play. So we have this example here, get my web. You can see I am including the role. Instead of calling the roles directly, I just include role and use this module to call the role called my web. Okay, that's include role. So you can even mention tasks from which task, like this. Okay, if you check the task from file to load from roles task directory, you can just call okay, execute this specific file inside the task directory under the role. Okay, and few other options like you can also mention the variables for the role specifically for that specific task. So include role, then you pass the value from this one and pass it to the role variable. Good. And the next one is import role. Here also we don't have the demo to do. If you really don't understand how to do this, please ask me in the comment box, or then I can create a demo for this import role as well. So the import role is almost same like include role, but the difference is it will load inside the playbook even before you execute. Means it's not dynamic. Okay, so you can see here it allows you to control, like where you can mention like, okay, I want to include this role or import this role at some stage of this playbook. Because the roles, it will be direct, but include and import will be like you have more control. But import, you remember, it will be imported to the playbook even before you reach the actual task. The import role means it will be loaded before the execution start. Include means it's a dynamic, so at that stage reach, it will be included. So import role, you just give the name, then you can do the almost same thing like task from, then pass the variables, etc. Okay, you can try with few other roles and see if it's easy to understand. Otherwise, ask me, I will publish a video on that as well. Okay, and that's it for the roles. So if you want more videos on the roles, if you don't understand, then please ask me, we will do more sessions. If you miss any videos, please see the playlist, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you will get all the latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Bye.